Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just rushed home from getting off work early. I'm going to attempt to get as much of this recipe done as I can. Tonight I'm making, what am I making? Supreme nachos, or I guess just nachos. I don't really know what makes supreme. But the secret ingredient is going to be these walnuts, because I saw a recipe, which of course I will link down below, where the lady used walnuts as her meat substitute. So we shall see about that. And then of course, if that doesn't work, I went ahead and got our handy dandy replacement, just in case, you know, of course Kenneth needs his meat or something similar to it. So we'll see how that looks. I do have to go pick up Coco from daycare. It's 5:09. I have to get her by 6. She's literally right around the corner. So I'm gonna see how much of this I can get done. Okay, so as you can see, I didn't get anything done before I went to pick up Kofi, but that's okay. Right now I have those walnuts that I pre-soaked for about a little over 2 hours or so in some hot water, and then I just chopped them up. You can of course put them in a food processor, but I just went ahead and chopped them up, and then I added them to this pot with some oil that I drizzled at the bottom of the pan. And here I'm just going to warm them up and then add my seasonings. So this is just a view of all the seasonings that I use. I know that says onion salt, but it's actually onion powder that's in there. I refill my seasonings. So you can use onion salt, but then you just maybe want to hold the salt later. And then this red cap is chili powder, but you can check the description box where I'll have a full list of all of the seasonings that I use for the walnuts. And there you have it. This is what your mixture will look like after you've added all of your seasonings to your walnuts. And how crazy is that? Because it actually looks like meat. For the cheese sauce, I'm going to blend 2 cups of cashew cream, 1 cup of salsa, half of a red bell pepper, and 3 tablespoons or more of nutritional yeast. I will link my cashew cream recipe as well. I've tried the carrots and potato cheese sauce, but this is way better in my opinion. And then I also have just some black beans going that I added garlic powder and salt to. So in order to get ready to assemble, I went ahead and pressed broil on the oven. I didn't check the temperature because ultimately I just want it to get hot, but I am going to start off with a layer of my chips. Then I'm going to add the walnuts, and then the black beans, and then the cheese sauce. Then I'm going to go back and add the walnuts, more black beans, and more cheese sauce, and then pop it in the oven. But you know, just keep watching, you'll see. And as a matter of fact, let's go ahead and speed this up because your girl is hungry. Then while that's baking for about 5 to 10 minutes, I chopped up some tomatoes as well as some avocado and cilantro. And then I was thinking, why don't I have lettuce and black olives and a whole bunch of other things? But this is what it looks like once you take it out. And then voila, this is how it looks after. Of course, you can add sour cream, whether vegan or not, to it. I don't really care for the vegan sour cream, so I just stick with the avocados. But next time, I'm definitely going to be adding lettuce and black olives and just putting the works on it. You can also add more salsa if you'd like, but this is so good, you guys. It might be kind of salty, but you like it?
Mm-hmm.
What does it taste like? Does it taste like nachos?
Mm-hmm.
Can you tell what the meat is?
I don't even care. It's not real meat, so it don't even matter. What is it, asparagus?
No, it's walnuts.
What?
Wow. That is walnuts. Isn't that crazy? It looks like meat. Like I soaked them and
Like walnuts?
Yes.
I'm gonna eat this last one and I'm done. Because you can't be feeding me walnuts.
Wow. That's really good, actually. Like it tastes like nachos. Even the walnut part isn't bad. I mean, like, you can tell that it has a crunch, but wow. That's crazy. Bruh, if you can't tell based off of all of that smacking and ratchetness that this is good and something you should try, then you sleep.